हेलो।
तो उसके बाद ही फिर बच्चे की पोजीशन ये होती है कि एक तो कॉन्फिडेंट, कहीं भी उसको खड़ा करो वो कम से कम दबेगा नहीं। तो एक तो जयवीर भाई का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, राठी साहब से मिलवाई। और ये तो क्योंकि जब भी इन्होंने बात करवाई तो वैसे ही बड़ी खुशी हुई जब बापड़ौदे का नाम आया। तो चलो हमारा तो खरर, बापड़ौदा और आसंडा 3 ही गाँव हैं जो राठियों के हैं और एक ही परिवार लगभग माना जाता है। तो दूर आकर जब भी कोई निकट में वो परिवार जैसे ही लगते हैं। तो यहाँ एक बार आप कभी न कभी विजिट जरूर करें। तो पिछली बार जब हमने यहाँ पर स्टार्ट किया लोगों ने बहुत ज़बरदस्त पसंद किया। तो वहाँ पर हमें 14 या 15 बच्चे लेके आए थे कैंपस के पानीपत से। ये गांव वाले बच्चे नहीं थे, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा अंतर होता है, वो होता है टोन का अंतर। प्रोनाउंसिएशन हो सकता है उनका भी अच्छा हो जाए, लेकिन यदि हम जनरल टॉकिंग करेंगे तो एक शहर का बच्चा एक गांव का कुछ देर बाद जो उसकी टोन है वो गांव वाली आ जाती है। तो इसलिए फिर वहां पर हमने पानीपत के बच्चों को रिप्रेजेंट किया था। तो आज अब इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा कौटिल्य और प्रकाश डालेगा कि कैंपस के और उन बच्चों के बारे में भी वहां पर क्या बच्चे खास कर चुके हैं। तो हम ये जो 10 महीने का हमारा कोर्स है सर, हम इसमें पेरेंट्स को श्योरिटी देते हैं बच्चे को देखने के बाद कि पहली बात तो बच्चे का वहाँ का आने का दिल करेगा। वो टाइम से पहले कहेगा मुझे छोड़ के आओ, मेरा टाइम हो चुका है। वहाँ पर एंजॉय करते हैं वो अपने सिलेबस में। वहाँ पर कोई दबाव नहीं होता, वहाँ पर उनको शाबाशियाँ मिलती हैं, एप्रिसिएशन मिलता है, अवार्ड्स मिलते हैं। और फिर बच्चे अलग अलग जो ब्रांडेड स्कूल्स हैं वहाँ पर उनकी प्रेजेंटेशंस होती हैं या वहाँ पर उनका डेमो होता है और वहाँ पर भी बच्चों को एप्रिसिएट किया जाता है अच्छे से उनकी प्रतिभा के दम पर। और जहाँ तक की बात प्रतिभा की है, हर व्यक्ति के अंदर भगवान ने सभी को कुछ न कुछ खास बना के भेजा। यदि उस दिशा में प्रयास हो जाए तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। लता जी हैं, वो गायन की दुनिया में आई और भगवान ने टैलेंट तो दिया ही था, इत्तेफाक से उनकी दिशा भी ठीक रही। अमिताभ हैं, यदि वो बॉक्सर होते तो शायद अच्छे नहीं होते, लेकिन वो एक्टर ही बड़े गजब के थे। तो राठी साहब में कल बात कराएंगे, गांव के थे कृष्ण पहलवान इनके, और फिर एक सुरेश थे दोबल धनिया, इन्होंने बताया वो तो हमारे शिष्य भी रहे हैं अपने टाइम में, वो भी भारत केसरी रहे और बड़े पहलवान रहे। ये क्योंकि वो थे उस फील्ड के, यदि उस फील्ड में वो नहीं जाते कहीं और होते तो शायद उतना अच्छा वो न कर पाते जितना उन्होंने उस फील्ड में किया। तो
थे और वो भी पैसे लेकर। So if you read it, if you just assume it, so it's such a big thing that a student of 5th standard, a 10 or 11-year-old boy is giving tuitions to a graduate or to a person who is doing his undergraduates. So it is very possible. And even in the campus there are many kids. There was a girl Diksha, and when she was like in 2 or 3 days she completed the world history. And even me, in this lockdown, what I did was that I did an experimentation, and in that experimentation in 7 days I completed my science of 9th and 10th. And after a week I demonstrated and taught the same science of 10th grade. Well, I was in 9th and I taught the science of 10th grade to 2 kids in lockdown. So it is very much possible, and a child can attain any kind of knowledge if he is curious and if he gets a proper nourishment and a proper guidance. So the main thing that I'm going to, that the whole point is based on, is that if a child has an interest and if he gets a proper guidance, then he or she can achieve anything in the life, because the talent is given by the God, and the work, the bit and the main focus is in molding and in being a proper potter to give a shape to an unnourished and an unnurtured pot. So it can be very much possible, and this possibility is not very far from the practicality. The reason that it is not very far from the practicality is just the talent is in everybody, and whether in one field or whether in another, everybody is filled with such kind of talent. Whether if he wants to do something different in any kind of field he wants to do something great in it, then he or she can easily. If it is the proper field of interest and strengthened field that the God has given to it, because God has given various kind of strengths in a particular kind of field. Because it is true that there is a God gift and it is in everybody. Everybody is gifted. Somebody is good in such field because the mind works in many ways. There are three kind of learning methods. One is kinesthetic, one is auditory, and one is visual. There are many people who try to learn things better if they see it. Many people, if they see in the TV, they are very good at it. Many things, who hear the things, they're like, okay, by hearing the stuff, by doing a communication, by doing an interaction, I learn it very good. There are many people who try to practice it after writing and after practicing it by themselves. They're very good at it. So it is all dependent that how you can learn things and also what thing you want to learn and what thing is strengthened in you. Because there are various types of neurons. There are billions and trillions of neurons in the human brain, and those nerve cells, they run at different rates. And if the proper combination, the proper proximity, and the proper deflection and proper despair of all of those kind of neurons is in the particular right direction, then it would give the best output and the best outcome. Because sometimes the events get defenestrated, and due to which there are some times when people get floxinosin heliperificate only and only due to the wrong combination of what they were given and what they've applied. So one thing I'd like to say, because there are many parents, well, not many, but there are few, because starting from few can lead into something great. So one thing that I'd like to say on this momentum is that if a child has a passion, please let him go in that passion, and if he has curiosity, please increase his curiosity, because every child can be a genius, and he or she can be genius. He can or she can be whether Abdul Kalam, or he and she can be Einstein and Hawkins, because they are also from you. And when many people ask me that you're very gifted, or you're very intelligent, but I say that every child can be better, can be like when they even can be better than me, because the next generation and everybody, because what a man has done, every man can do, and they can be much better than me if they apply their proper force, their proper power in the right field. So this is what I'd like to say on this occasion. And first of all, I'd like to thank Javeed Uncle Ji. For Javeed Bhaiya, I got to know that my father, he is his Fufa Ji. So हाँ, तो ये भी पापा जी के घर के पास से ही है. So this was a great moment, and so I'd like to everybody present here, I'd like to thank them, and especially Javeed Bhaiya, for calling and for creating an interaction that is fruitful for me, that made my practice, and also that is helpful for me, because I learn many new things from here, because things are learned in every single instance. And again, I'd like to thank everybody present here, and on this beautiful occasion, I'd like to say a few things. I'd like to say a few lines, that a man can do anything, because one thing was said by George Bernard Shaw, and that woods are lovely, dark and deep. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. So miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. So the aim and the projection is very far away, and we need not to stop at the medium and at the interval in the starting, but rather we have to go to the complete path, and for going to the complete journey, for completing the whole journey, we need not to stop and continue with the momentum. And on that also, I'd like to say a few lines of Sohan Lal Dwivedi. The lines were, I'm not remembering it well, but I think that you like it. Okay? रहे समक्ष हिम शिखर तुम्हारा पण उठे निखर, भले ही जाए तन बिखर, रुको नहीं झुको नहीं, बढ़े चलो. So the thing that I stated in the words, in the quotes of George Bernard Shaw, were the same as this line of Sohan Lal Dwivedi that whatever comes in the path of success, whatever comes in the journey of life, we need not to stop. We need not to stop our acceleration. We need not to stop our momentum and continue in the path of success and continue in the path of struggle. And if we do so, we will achieve what we want. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आई एम कौटिल्य पंडित गूगल बॉय और मेरे भैया का एक चैनल है ABS रिकॉर्ड्स एंड इट्स ग्रेट चैनल, ग्रेट कंटेंट। तो मैं आप सभी को रिकमेंड करूंगा कि आप उस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और उसको आगे बढ़ाएं। एंड आई विश दैट दिस चैनल creates history for its content and for its proximity. So thank you everybody.